Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to whittle stick and how to use a pocket knife. But before you get a pocket knife, you need to make sure it's okay with your mom and dad to have one and to use one. And if you know, if they let you use like a regular knife, like a butter knife and stuff, well, you're going to have to ask to use a pocket knife because they're not the same thing as a regular knife. So the first lesson is you never point. See, this is the blade. Like, this is the sharp part right here. You never point it towards yourself like this, because if you do it, it goes right into your finger. You have to put it away from yourself. So, like, okay, so you want to go away from yourself like this. Like, you need to get stick up. And this skin will fall off. Like, if you want to, you can make a spear or something. But like, you can never do this. Like if someone's right next to me, do this. Hit them. Never threaten them. You only use pocket knife for like cutting stuff, for survival and stuff, but not for hurting. So that is how you use a pocket knife tutorial.